this channel. I hope you all are doing great and happy also. So in this video, we are going to discuss about different questions. Okay, I have so many questions, so I decided कि मैं ये questions different teachers से पूछती हूँ. Some of them are very experienced and some of them are very young. So you will get to know about different opinions, different reviews on the topic parenting and you can say the upbringing of a children. Okay, there are so many questions, there are so many different questions and आपको बहुत कुछ पता लगेगा. So watch this video till the end and also share the best part of this video in the comment box. I genuinely want to know कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, so that I can also make the part number 2. Okay, so let's watch it together. What is the one thing you wish parents stop doing immediately?
मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि पेरेंट्स जो है बच्चों को अपने अदर बच्चों से दूसरे बच्चों के साथ कंपेयर करना छोड़ दें। क्योंकि अगर अगर वो उन बच्चों को दूसरे बच्चों के साथ अपने बच्चों को कंपेयर करेंगे, उन बच्चों में का जो है सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस वो नहीं डेवलप हो पाएगा। उनको उन बच्चों में हीन भावना आ जाएगी। उन बच्चों को ये लगेगा कि हमारे पेरेंट्स को तो दूसरे बच्चे ज़्यादा वो रहते हैं। तो एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स को आपको इग्नोर करना शुरू कर देंगे। आपकी बात को ध्यान नहीं देंगे। इसलिए ये चीज़ ज़रूरी है कि हमें अपने बच्चों को दूसरे बच्चों के साथ कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए कभी।
The question I got is, what would be that one thing you want parents and students to understand? Okay, so I would like parents to understand that we are here for their students expecting to grow. We are only here to help them, to make them learn good things. So they should trust the teacher and trust the process of what's going on in the class and with their kids. We are here to help them. Okay, so my question is one parenting advice, like one honest parenting advice I would love to give to parents without getting in trouble. So I think it will be, please have some patience, trust the process, trust in us. We are genuinely trying our best to give best to your child. Okay, if your child is making mistakes today, it is not a disaster. It's just like part of learning. If your child is not completing his or her homework today, it doesn't mean कि वो life में जाके आगे fail हो जाएगा. It simply means that he is trying his best. We cannot turn your child into an Einstein, in a night. But we are trying our best. Okay, and your child is also trying his best. He's learning, he's growing, he's exploring this world. So let him explore it. If you pressurize him, if आप बहुत ज़्यादा उस पर प्रेशर डालेंगे, देन वो एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाएगा, वो सिर्फ चीज़ों को रटेगा, सिर्फ वो रोट लर्निंग का एक पार्ट बन जाएगा. तो लेट हिम एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड, यू जस्ट रिलैक्स, take a deep breath and let him explore this. When school and home works together, beautiful things happen. So just trust the process. Which is harder, teaching children or managing their parents?
वैसे तो बच्चों को और पेरेंट्स को दोनों को ही मैनेज करना मुश्किल भी है और आसान भी, ऐसी बात नहीं है। कुछ बच्चे थोड़ा जल्दी समझ जाते हैं बातों को और कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो थोड़ा टाइम भी ले लेते हैं। वो थोड़ा बच्चों को लेके ज़्यादा कहते हैं ना सेंसिटिव होते हैं, ज़्यादा केयरिंग होते हैं, तो उन्हें थोड़ा समझाना मुश्किल हो जाता है। उन्हें ये रहता है बच्चा ये कर रहा है मैडम क्यों कर रहा है? उसको आप समझाना, उसको डाँटना, लेकिन हमें प्यार से और समझ से बच्चों को और पेरेंट्स को दोनों को ही हैंडल करना पड़ता है। थोड़ा पेरेंट्स को ज़्यादा उन पे मेहनत लगती है हमारी।
Okay, the next question is, one advice out of the books that I want my children to give is that be kind, be respectful, be humble, and never lose hope. Put your efforts in what you are doing and trust the process. What is one life lesson you have learned from your schools that you will never forget?
Hi everyone, Neetu this side, and in my this 15 years career, I have learned this thing that we should always keep smiling. Whenever I see my children's happy faces, I feel that whatever the problem they are dealing with, wherever they are in any situation, they always keep smiling and laughing. So we should never forget our original smile, our happiness. That is the lesson which I have learned from my children. Okay, everyone, bye.